3 Royal Crown Derby Blue Aves dessert plates, dessert or salad plates. Not quite big enough for luncheon plates, too big for side plates. Let's have a look at these. We've got 3 of them. We like to show you the stack to begin with so you can get a feel for how much gilt is left around these antique pieces. Well, these aren't quite antique. These are 1954 on the marks. Blue Aves, a design made by Royal Crown Derby over a very long period of time. And these are finely moulded and decorated in that classic blue and white decorative design with thick gilt around the rims. Let's show you the Royal Crown Derby marks in green, crown marks, double D's. Made in England, XVII for 1954, if I'm not mistaken. All the exact details will be on the website listing. They're in lovely condition. The plate surfaces are absolutely mint. I don't think they've been used. They've probably been collected or displayed on a dresser, is my guess. And we've got just 3 of these, but we have got some other flatware in the series of Blue Aves, including some fantastic platters, oval platters in this design, which are things of beauty. They really are. But 2 lidded tureens as well, quite unusual. No longer in manufacture in that mould shape, although Blue Aves is still produced by Royal Crown Derby. So these 3 are available from the Vintage and Antiques website. No condition warnings on them at all. They're in really fine vintage condition, 1954 Royal Crown Derby Blue Aves. Thanks for watching.